Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bassie from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a line across near the top. And then let's add a large curve underneath and back up. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two large ovals for the eyes. And then let's add a circle inside each one. And now let's color them both in black. Now top underneath each of the eyes and let's draw two lines down for the eyelashes. And then underneath, let's draw two curves going outwards for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the flowers. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 3 bumps going up for the first flower. Now on the left side, let's draw a curve up and curve it back down to add a leaf. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now on the right, let's add a bump up and back down. And then 2 bumps next to it like this. And let's add one more curve on top in the center here. Now on the right side, let's add a leaf up, another one next to it, and curve it down. And then one more bump on the right side. Lastly, let's add a few smaller leaves. Let's start with one on the top right, one going down onto the face, another one going up, and 2 going up on the left side here. And that's it for the flowers. Now let's add the straps on the sides of the head. Let's start with a long curve down and curve it back up. And the same on the right side. And let's add another curve inside each one in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down and out underneath the head here. Then in the center, let's draw a curve for the neckline. And then a curve across for the waist. Now for the bottom of the dress, we're going to draw a wavy line down on both sides. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now in the center, let's draw 2 curves meeting at a point at the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on both sides and let's draw 2 curves out like this. Then from the top, let's curve it out and back in. And then one more curve down and back up for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. Now at the bottom, let's curve it out and back in for the feet. Now top and side, and let's add the stripes. Let's draw 2 curves at the tops of the legs, 2 more underneath, and then 2 on the feet, curving it the opposite way. And that's it for Bassie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!